Here. You want to get it? Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, goodness. Get it. Get it. You have to pull. You have to pull. Oh, she tilted the cage. Good girl. Pull hard. Pull hard. Strong. She looked at me like, will you come get it for me? Oh, it scares her when it tilts the cage. That one's closer to the front than last time. Pull! Yeah, you could have a dog train. They could grab each other's tails and pull. And Sugar's over there growling. Get it! Oh. Get it! Get it! You better get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. She went, oh, row, row. Yay!